Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to get the starter helicopter in Jailbreak under 5 minutes. Let's start. So first off, we're gonna have to escape the prison. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so once you are done escaping, you're just gonna want to head to the store where you get the paraglider. And yep, we're just gonna drive there right now. Okay guys, once you are in there, you're just gonna want to go to the paraglider. It's free. And then we're gonna go over a mountain, and I'll show you guys that in a bit. Okay, now you guys are gonna want to climb over this mountain until you reach the top. I'm just gonna speed that up a bit and follow me. Okay, once you guys reach the top, all you're gonna do is equip the paraglider and fly down to the helicopter spawn at the prison. As you guys see, we arrived at the helicopter spawn in under 5 minutes. And yeah, the helicopter didn't spawn yet, so that's why you don't see it. Well, yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and there will be more content from me.